What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.0417, up 1.6 on the day. See a market cap of 284, 24-hour volume, 111 million. Wow, triple one, lucky number. Maybe that's a sign that you're going to have an absolutely stupendous day. Sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab up to 30K in bonuses on Bybit, up to 8K in bonuses on Bitget. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns. Talking all things crypto, let's hop into Gala. So what I think is going on for Gala Games is we're putting in a wave C of the wave 2. So we're coming up in an ABC correction. You've had your wave A, wave B pullback. You're looking to push up in a wave C. So I can count 3 waves up: wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4. We may see one more wave in a 5. Now the minimum target for a wave 2 is 0.041, which we've already hit. We could break down from here, but I wouldn't be surprised to at least see price come up to that level, or possibly the 50% retracement before seeing continuation to the downside. What we're looking at here is that we're going through an ABC correction. Here's your wave A down, there's your wave B. Within the wave C is 5 waves. So you've had a wave 1 down, there's a wave 2 pullback, and then you come down in 3, 4, 5. So let's say we push up to the 50% retracement and we can give a wave 3 target. It doesn't have to push that high, but just to give you an idea of where the wave 3 would end up. So that would give you a wave 3 target. Wow, that would take you all the way down to 0.025. You put in a wave 4 and then a final wave 5 to potentially complete this wave 2 pullback. I think that's likely. I think Bitcoin will come down to about 19K, and that's when you'll see Gala drop into that range, and it will be an absolutely beautiful time to load the bags. Potentially put in the wave 2 pullback. The bottom is in, load the bags. Just hold till the end of the next bull run. Of course, you can trade as well. But Gala will be my largest holding, one of my largest holdings. Mostly I hold altcoins. I hold a lot of the big coins, Bitcoin and ETH, because nobody believed in Bitcoin 10 years ago. And if you bought it then, you would have been a millionaire. And nobody believes in these altcoins now. And in my opinion, if you buy the right ones, in the future, you'll be a millionaire easily. So that's just a little bit of perspective with Jax. So just take it with a grain of salt. I think this is unlikely that we're pulling back in a wave 4. As soon as we break 0.038, it invalidates that. I do not think it's likely. We are about to print the the bearish cross over the next few days of the 20 EMA underneath the 55. Once you print that bearish cross and you get rejected by that level, higher likelihood you will see that continuation to the downside, which I think is probable. So in the short term for Gala, we could definitely see one more little wave up to either take you to the minimum target for a wave 2 pullback, which is the 38.2% fib level at 0.041, or potentially take you up to 0.043. Anywhere in this zone in between 0.043 and 0.046 is a regular retracement for a wave 2. Minimum target 0.041. We can break down from here as mentioned, but I wouldn't be surprised to see one more higher high. All right, gang, sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns. Talking all things crypto, giving trade signals, all types of good stuff at the 10 USD membership. Same price as a Netflix subscription, Big Mac meal with some fries and a drink. You can get early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news, member profits. All of that is coming in for only $10 per month. My HODL alt plays. And it's the first of the month. Great time to sign up and grab those benefits. If you'd like to, sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.